two easy and delicious oven baked recipes today. Some tandoori chicken and some citrus blend chicken. Both very, very delicious recipes. Stay tuned for this one. Hey guys, it's Vlad. Not a lot of fishing lately because of bad weather, so I'm preparing some chicken in the kitchen today. So here we go. On the left, I have my tandoori chicken that I'm going to prepare, and on the right is our citrus blend. So I have lots of spices and different citrus blend here that I'm going to list in the description below. So first I want to prepare the tandoori chicken, so let's move aside this citrus one first. Let me grab a bowl so I can mix everything in there. This is plain yogurt. You can use fat-free one too. I'm going to use some olive oil and drizzle the chicken. This will help to moisten the chicken a little and let it not dry out in the oven. So let's go ahead and mix our special sauce for this. I'm just going to use a little bit of lemon, and I have all these different spices. However, I'm using some Himalayan pink salt today, and all these other nice recipes I'm going to list. But I am using fresh ginger and garlic with this. Let's mix it all together. Yogurt has a nice fluffy texture now, so it keeps this bird or chicken very, very moist. So rub it all over, get in all those cracks and crannies. As you can see, I made some splits. And just, put the seasoning throughout the whole chicken. You can use this mix on other meat also. Same thing I'm going to do with the citrus blend. I'm going to let olive oil rest on the chicken. I'm going to massage that in a few minutes. Here I have some orange juice, some lemon juice. I have a little bit of ginger. And then I have black pepper, paprika, and the salt in there. And I'm going to add a little bit of dash, but this is just lemon pepper with no salt. Mix this really well and just coat the chicken. Let's just rub that oil in properly. Get it in on the undercoating too. Just get all that seasoning all over. Into all those cracks also of the chicken. Those slits. That's what our chicken looks like. So I'm going to add a little bit more flavor to this because I'm cooking this in about 2 hours. But you can put this in the fridge overnight. I'm going to add some lemon and some green scallions and thyme. And to the tandoori mix, I'm just going to put the thyme and green scallions. These I'm going to wrap up with some foil wrap and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. But you can definitely put this overnight, which would definitely works best. Give time for that marinade to sink into that chicken. I'm using foil wrap, but if you have saran wrap or shrink wrap, that works well too. Now I'm going to take my chicken out of the fridge and leave it on the counter for about 45 minutes, just to come back a little bit down to room temperature. The chicken cooks really well when, its temperature is really even. I'm just poking a little bit holes, just to let some air out when it's cooking. If you notice on the left, we're going to have this with some baked beans and rice. Red beans and rice, my mistake. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. Then I'm going to remove it, take the cover off, put it back in the oven for an additional 30 minutes, maybe 35 minutes. And after that, it's done. Here, guys, hour and a half later, you have dinner to eat or lunch. See, there's still juice in the chicken pan. And if you notice, the meat is pulling away from the chicken. Wow, look at that. I added a little bit of chili pepper on top of this, just to put a little bit of more spice into our chicken. And this way you can notice the lemon chicken on the left. And look at juice inside the chicken still. Nice and moist. Just let plate this up and go eat with that nice rice and a little bit of greens. Just delicious. Guys, thanks for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, drop me a comment on my videos. Let me know what you want me to cook again in the future. And just a quick note. Just want to shout out happy birthday to Sabita in Trinidad. Wonderful person. Mom, wife, sister, daughter. Excellent overall person. And happy birthday, Sabita. And again, thanks for watching. Here are a few more videos